Financial Couture. What's up? This is Financial Couture, a faceless YouTube channel all about money. Today's video is about how to use Canva to create an ad for your product. I love Pepsi. I drink it a lot, so I figured why not do an ad on the product I love? I'm an affiliate for Canva Pro, which is the paid side of Canva. You can do so much, especially if you are a content creator, business owner, you're constantly releasing brand campaigns, you're promoting your products, posted on social media. Well, try out Canva Pro. Canva Pro, you have a wider selection of templates, elements like graphics, photos, videos, fonts. Plus, you get additional features unlike the free side. Today, we are only using the free side, so don't worry. Don't forget, try out the free 30-day trial. Click my affiliate link in the description box. At the end of this video, you will see the 2 ads I created with Canva. Tell me which one you liked in the comment section. Let's get started. So first thing first, I decided to do an Instagram reel because you can use that proportion pretty much in anything. Pinterest, with a little bit of modification, TikTok. You have also YouTube Shorts. So you can pretty much use that ad for those types of profiles. First thing first, I grabbed a picture. I was thinking I wanted this, but we're going to change the background. We selected our combo font and we are changing our colors. The color scheme that I'm working for is red, white, and blue. And we're going to change the size, and also we are going to, fix it up, make it look pretty good, and put what I really wanted to say, which is it's good. Alright, so after we do that, I'm going to ungroup them. The reason why I'm going to ungroup them is because I want to be able to, maneuver it how I want to. And also, with that being said, I'll be able to animate each section by itself. So I can have one go one way and another one go another way, which will, give it a little bit more, oof. So right now I'm clicking my animation. With Canva Pro, you're able to, go up, down, left, right, whereas with the free you're only able to do one direction and it's already given. So I want that to be known. So right now I done shortened it a little bit. I'm checking it out. I always like to preview like how my stuff looks because you don't want to waste time and realize, hey, this looks sucky. So now after I did that, I realized I don't like that picture, so I changed the picture, and you see how I was able to drag it. Yeah, it's really easy. So the second thing I did was I duplicated it, removed everything, and I want to bring a little bit more excitement. So I want to bring like a little flowy effect, like something's pushing the Pepsi. So what I'm going to do is duplicate, move, duplicate, move, duplicate, move until it becomes flowy, just like you see right there. So the next thing I'm going to do is open up another one, click on elements, and then choose a frame, a circular frame. And this adds again a little bit more ooh la la. You want it interesting, you don't want it boring, especially with a white background. I am going to be changing this image, and you're going to probably see that in the ad. So right now I know I'm using the same one, don't worry. I wanted to add a little bit more movement. I like these magical recommendations because it adds a little bit more, again, oof, to the ad. So I added that. I'm playing around with it. You can rotate it. You can make it big, you can make it huge, however you want. I'm trying to put it in a way that adds a little bit more excitement to the mix. And then we're going to do a page animation, which is going to move the whole page. So next, we're moving on. I want a red background. I don't want a plain red background. I want some movement again. The key thing is movement. We don't want our eyes bored, not at all. So I duplicated or copied the elements and then changed them around a little bit to add a little bit more taste. Then added my font, which is a basic font, and then I changed the color from black to white, and then added, of course, some animation. So I'm shrinking the sizes up. As you can see, it goes from like 15 seconds to like 0.9. You can change however you want by just like pulling each of the pages. So right now I am again copying, and I'm going to add a video on top of that in order to again bring in a little bit more flavor. You see how easy you can replace the video or images just by dragging and putting it on there. And then again, I'm going to use animation and then add a little bit more magical recommendations, which is, giving it a little bit more flavor, giving it a little bit more movement. Keyword today is movement. Good. I don't know why I keep saying that, but yep, that's what I'm looking for. So, when we think about Pepsi, we think about party, we think about food, we think about it all being good. I added my font to it. We're using the blue color scheme because, again, Pepsi is red, white, and blue. And then finally, we're actually using this image where it's going to really be used. So I want to create a little bit more movement again. So due to the fact it's a still picture, When I have to use animation, I'm gonna use the drift setting, which is gonna drift it on the side, and then I want the soda can to come towards me, so I'm gonna use photo zoom. So I'm gonna duplicate and then change the animation for that, and then there you go. Now we went back to the other picture that I was telling you about that I didn't like, and we're gonna drag and drop an image in there, and then we're gonna add a little bit more spice to cold, just to change it up a little bit. Now we're going to the audio section. It's really easy. You're going to go to upload media, then you're going to drag and drop your music. You can change where you want the music to start, and then also you can fade it in just by right clicking. So I got it for 3 seconds for fade in and fade out, and that's it. Here's the ad.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.